Hello everyone, we are team 854 from Medicare Institute of Technology and Management from second year Electronics and Communication. We are here representing our project for Texas Instrument Innovation Challenge 2K15 entitled Walk in Charge. This is hardware unit of our project. We have divided it into 5 parts. First, piezo element pad. Second, charging discharging module. Third, transmission circuit. Fourth, receiving and charging circuit. And fifth, an additional RF module so that one can switch off or on the device as per their requirement. This is piezo element pad. We have connected 12 piezos together. When a dynamic pressure is applied, voltage across its terminal is generated, which is given to the signal conditioning circuit. It consists of RC filter and LM7815 voltage regulator IC by Texas Instrument, so that the regulated 15 volt output is generated, which is given to the power wing module for charging our battery, and this red LED shows charging. The output of charging discharging module is given to the transmission circuit. Transmission circuit consists of blocking oscillator for DC to AC conversion, and this AC voltage is given to the primary coil for power transmission. On the other hand, we have receiving coil which receives the power transmitted by transmission circuit. This receiving power passes through rectifier IC. This red LED shows the power is transmitting continuously, and after this rectification, the output is given to the L293D current amplifier IC for current amplification, and the output of this is given to the phones. As you can see, the phone is charging. Now this is an optional RF module. Here it is divided into two parts: encoder used as a remote and decoder used as a switch. Here ST12D decoder IC used in remote, and ST12DE and CD4066 used as a switch. This switch is connected to the transmission circuit, which stops the power transmission between primary and secondary coil if not required the charging. On switching the button of remote, this LED glows off and the LED of decoder glows on. As we can see,